Hi folks, here's your MWIS Fleeting View looking through midweek and towards the weekend. Quite a tangled weather situation taking us through Wednesday. We have a trailing front draped across England and Wales, and along this will be some heavy bursts of rain developing again as the day goes on. Most of the rain that's been around early in the day across Scotland will be clearing away north-eastwards. One or two showers follow, but a decent picture developing across much of the Highlands. Watch for strengthening winds though in the west as we go toward the afternoon and the evening. Let's just run that sequence then. First thing Wednesday morning, we do have that rain around across central eastern Scotland and North England, breaking up as mentioned from the southwest. Further rain though spilling back in across Wales, that turning heaviest as you can see across mid and south Wales. Bit of uncertainty how far that gets into Snowdonia. It could be that some northwestern parts of Wales may escape with just some patchy rain coming back on. That rain heaviest across East Wales, spilling northwards and eastwards into the Peak District and the South Pennines, getting toward the Yorkshire Dales too through the afternoon. Some heavy, even thundery bursts across the mid and south Pennines possible during the afternoon. For Scotland, largely dry, quite a bit of high cloud, but really a dry picture. One or two showers very locally. Some showers near the west coast may just become locally a bit more frequent later on in the day. Overnight and into Thursday, that front continues to affect central parts of England. Some showers in western Scotland. Those showers will be around again on Thursday daytime near to the west coast. One or two spreading inland. But for many, Thursday looking a bright day with some sunshine, some broken cloud. May just be hanging on to low cloud banks in western Scotland. Many hills and mountains though should see good breaks to higher tops, and wind speeds looking pretty light as well. Into Friday, we stick with mostly light winds across the country. We do have a fairly slack pressure pattern then, just a weak front maybe just drifting in from the west through the daytime. That giving some areas of showery rain occasionally, maybe something a bit more frequent with low cloud near to the Irish Sea early in the day. That tending to break up as time goes on. Coastal hills though, always maybe just plagued by low cloud hanging on for a good part of the day. Go further eastwards, chances are the cloud bases are higher with breaks to higher tops. A few showers though just around the Cairngorms onwards through into Friday afternoon. Looking at the weekend, and there is a degree of uncertainty exactly where the pressure patterns just position themselves. The idea generally of high pressure being in charge though, low pressure situated just towards the west, and some fronts just drifting in from the Atlantic, and this drawing in a fairly humid southwesterly airstream. So once again, some of those coastal hills in the west may just struggle into the weekend for low cloud being rather persistent. Some drizzly rain occasionally coming on as well. For many though, it looks a dry story, light winds, fairly warm, quite humid, maybe the chance of an odd isolated shower by the afternoon. And that will be a similar sort of theme into Sunday again. The detail is up for grabs at this distance, but for many it's a dry story. Greatest risk of low cloud in the west, chance of an isolated shower, the wind generally light. So not such a bad outlook towards the weekend. You can check all your local details for 3 days ahead on our website. That's your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.